Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to the middle of the week. It is Wednesday, October 24th. Here's some morning announcements for today. Don't have any October birthdays to announce for today, so we'll have some birthdays coming up later on this week. Boys and girls, I wanted to let you know about the PTCO Halloween dance that's coming up, and that will be happening on Friday this week from 6 until 7:30 right in the gym here at Perry. So you need to have a parent or an adult come with you. That means someone over 18 years of age. It is for kindergarten through 5th grade, and you can wear your costumes to the dance. So at about 7:30, we will start making sure everybody has their things and making sure that everyone gets signed out for all the kids. So it's really important to make sure if you are going to wear your costume that night, make sure that you bring all the pieces home with you, because I can't guarantee that you will have them back next week. For lunch choices, we have grilled cheese and tomato soup, chicken patty sandwich, or Italian sub. And for today, for our pause, we're still working on bullying for the remainder of this month. There will be a couple of new things that will be happening next week as we enter into the month of November. But here are some things for bullying from some 4th grade students.
All right, we are continuing things that we're doing about not being a bully or helping other people out who might be being bullied. So we have a couple suggestions for today.
When someone falls, don't make fun of them and help them up. Keep people's spirits up, don't bring them down. If someone is disabled or has a problem, don't laugh at them or make fun of them.
Good job. Thank you, boys and girls.
All right, good advice, 4th graders. Thank you very much. So at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Okay, let's please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for a Pledge of Allegiance, so please stand and your hand over your hearts. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, boys and girls. I appreciate that for a Pledge of Allegiance for today. Okay, boys and girls, it is Wednesday, halfway through the week. Remember, the choices are yours. You decide to make them. Good things can happen from good choices, so let's make some great choices today, and let's have a wonderful day.